Imagine making money while doing nothing but offering your customers a little convenience. Not through gas, not through snacks, not even through car washes. We're talking about cold, hard cash, literally. There's a silent profit machine most gas station owners overlook, and it's not taking up half your lot. It's an ATM. Yes, that basic cash machine sitting in the corner of some stores can be a steady stream of passive income if you understand how to use it the right way. In today's video, we're going to unpack why installing an ATM at your gas station isn't just smart. It might be one of the best low-effort business moves you make this year. We'll break down the psychology behind customer behavior, how ATM surcharges become passive money in your account, and how to maximize your earnings with smart placement. Stick around until the end, because we're also offering a free site evaluation to help you figure out how much your station could earn. Section 1. Customer Behavior and Cash Dependency. First, let's look at what's happening every single day at your gas station. Hundreds of cars drive in. Some fill up and drive out, others head into the convenience store. But here's the important part. Many of these customers still use cash. Yes, we're in a digital world, but data shows that more than 20% of fuel purchases are still made in cash. Why? Two big reasons: trust and discounts. A lot of stations offer a small but meaningful discount, sometimes 5 to 10 cents per gallon, for cash payments. Multiply that across a full tank, and it adds up for frequent drivers. Naturally, they want to pay cash, but what if they don't have any on hand? If you don't have an ATM available, they may leave to find one, and chances are they won't come back. You just lost not only a fuel sale, but possibly other high-margin items like snacks, drinks, or lotto tickets. Now imagine the opposite. A customer realizes they don't have cash, walks into your store, uses your ATM, pays for gas, and then grabs a Gatorade, or some chips, or a scratch-off. That's not just convenience, it's money in your register. Bottom line? ATMs aren't just cash dispensers, they're foot traffic magnets. And when people walk in to get cash, they often walk out with much more. Section 2. Revenue Model. How you make money. So let's talk numbers. The most exciting part of this opportunity is the revenue model, because every time someone uses your ATM, you get paid. That small convenience fee, you know, the $2.50 or $3 fee people pay to use an out-of-network ATM, that's your profit. Let's be conservative. You average just 10 transactions per day. That's 30/day in surcharge revenue. Multiply that by 30 days, and you're looking at $900 per month from one ATM. Now think bigger. Add another ATM at a second location, or even at another high-traffic point in your station, maybe near the air pump or car wash entrance. With 2 machines, you could be at $1,800 a month. That's over $20,000 per year in passive income, and you haven't lifted a finger. Now, what's the cost? You have 2 options. Option 1. Own and operate. Buy the machine, typically $2,000, $3,500. Load it with cash, your cash, recycled. Handle maintenance or hire a provider. Pros: keep 100% of the revenue. Cons: requires some management and maintenance. Option 2. Host program. A third-party ATM company installs and maintains it. They fill it with cash. You split the profits, usually 50/50ths or better. Pros: hands off, no investment. Cons: lower share of the profits. Either way, you're turning a piece of empty wall space into a money-making machine. Literally. Section 3. Strategic ATM Placement. So, you're sold on the idea, but don't make the mistake most new ATM owners make. Poor placement. Where you put your ATM can make or break how much money it makes for you. First rule: visibility is profitability. Your ATM should be seen as soon as someone walks in, or better yet, from outside the store. High traffic zones are golden, near the front door, beside the checkout, or even right next to the coffee machine. Second, think about security and lighting. Nobody wants to withdraw cash in the dark, and customers are far more likely to trust a machine that feels safe and watched. Install near a camera, ensure good lighting, and ideally close to store staff. Now let's talk about the silent salesman, your signage. A simple ATM inside banner at the pump or a window decal can drive foot traffic and usage dramatically. Don't assume people will stumble upon it. Tell them it's there. Want to increase your transaction count by 20%? Put a branded sign outside your store, especially near the fuel price board. Let drivers know there's cash inside before they even pull in. Let's paint a real-world picture. You're a gas station owner. You install one ATM near your store entrance. With 10 transactions a day, you bring in $900 a month. Some customers use that cash to buy drinks or snacks. So your store revenue increases too. You didn't hire anyone. You didn't spend hours managing it. You just made money because you gave people what they needed: convenient access to cash. And if you go the hands-off route with a provider, they handle the machine, the maintenance, the cash loads, even customer support. All you do? Collect your share of the earnings every month. So let's recap. Installing an ATM at your gas station means you make passive income from surcharge fees. You increase foot traffic and dwell time. You boost in-store purchases from cash users. You enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. You provide a competitive edge for your location. It's low risk, high reward, and requires minimal effort to start. Want to see what your station could earn? We're offering a free, no-obligation site evaluation to help you understand your location's potential. Whether you want to own your machine or just host one for profit sharing, we'll walk you through your options. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart business tips. And remember, sometimes the best business moves are the simplest ones. Give your customers cash and watch your income grow. Click the link below to schedule your free profitability assessment today.